दुनिया भर का टाइम है क्या? इसलिए माणसं असतात हे.
अब जल्दी आ गए तुम. दरवाजा तो बंद करो. नचिकेत, is something wrong? तुम कभी नहीं सिगरेट लेते ये टाइम पे.
सुन द लाइक द एंटायर थिंग आई नोटिस कि मैं ये टाइम पे सिगरेट क्यों ले रहा हूँ.
ऐसे क्यों बात कर रहे हो तुम मुझसे? कुछ हुआ है क्या?
I lost my acting job.
God, that is really bad. पर ये हुआ कैसे? Aren't you the best from the lot?
Best. They said we had creative issues and like what? Thanks to COVID, 50% of us like lost the job in our theater business.
God, that is really bad. But you know, maybe it's all for the good. Now you can have a proper job, Nachiket.
What do you mean by proper job?
See, I didn't mean it that way. What I mean is you have a MBA degree, Nachiket, और वो घर पे बस धूल जमा रहा है. It's high time that you can make it in news now. And I'm sure that you'll get a proper money-making job from it.
Let me make this clear, no clients or big company or job will even closely match to what it feels like standing on that wooden stage, people's eyes glued on you. I make people's dull day happy. Do you understand that?
Nachiket, I understand it gives people happiness, but what gives us happiness is the money. And that's what I try to bring in every time.
Money. Like, that's all you think about all the time, right? I'm appreciated and respected for what I do in my industry. I highly doubt that a company where people know you or even give you a tiny bit of respect. I highly doubt that.
Nachiket, we are under this one roof and having this conversation in the first place is because I earn for a living. You're telling me about respect and appreciation? तुम्हारे थिएटर वाले बिल्स भरेंगे क्या हमारे?
Listen, लल्ला नहीं बैठा रहता यहाँ पर. I don't sit on demand. I work 12 hours a day. Do you understand that?
Back off, Nachiket. Don't talk to me that way. I'm your girlfriend, not one of your theater puppets who you can control. Nachiket, I'm concerned about you. I just want you to have a good life.
Priya, this was my good life.
Nachiket, don't leave things in middle and just walk away.
Priya, please give me the company of my cigarette right now because I feel better than you being around and bluffing stupid things.
कहना क्या चाहते हो तुम?
बोल के point क्या है? You never did or never will understand what all of this meant to me.
मैं समझना चाहती भी नहीं हूँ. I just want to make things better for you.
Yeah, sure. You want to make things better for me. I understand that.
You know what? My friends used to tell me कि theater artists में बहुत ego होता है और तुम में भी है. I just defended you all this while. You know what? They were right. दरवाजा खोलो नचिकेत. Please ऐसी हरकतें मत करो. दरवाजा खोलो. Okay, I'm sorry for what I said earlier, but please, for God's sake, open the door. See, I understand this is important to you and I know how much this means to you. But why are you so irritated about this? I mean, you can start just 5 years down the line, right?
I'll tell you why. Just wait, I'll tell you why. See this?
this was going to be an official theatre play very soon. You know why it was special? It was about you and me. It was our story. The world was going to know about who we are. But I guess it will never happen now. And we lost the element of the right moment and right time. And that's what mattered.
I guess you did.
नात्यासनाव आपुल्या देऊ नकोस काही नात्या